Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you doing? I hope you are well. Today we are making one bite snack. The ingredients are I have 2 cup maida, add 1 packet any kind of brand milk powder, add 1 egg, add salt, half tablespoon, and add yeast yani khamira. It is available into the market. Khamir is equal to, if you have 1 kilo maida, you add 1 tablespoon khamira in the maida. I have 2 cup maida, so therefore I take 2 teaspoon and add little bit water, 3 to 4 tablespoon water in it, and add in it. Last time understand, if you have 1 kilo maida, you add only 1 tablespoon yeast in it and mix the dough and leave the dough for 4 to 5 hours. It became double. Look at, made the dough with little water. The dough, you made the dough not hard, little soft, and rest the dough for 3 to 4 hours. It became double because we add yeast yani khamira in it. Khamira is equal to, if you have 1 kg maida, you add 1 tablespoon. If you have half kg maida, you add 1/2 tablespoon. If you had 2 cup maida, you add half tablespoon, half 1 8 1/3 tablespoon. Add in and mix the dough and leave the dough for 4 to 5 hours, 3 to 4 hours. It became double. Look at the chicken, boneless chicken. I have 1 chicken breast. I cut into pieces. I do the pieces into home in boneless, and I add 1, 2, 3 tablespoon oil, olive oil, coconut oil, any kind of oil you use in your home. You add on it and add little bit salt, little bit chili. When the chicken became cooked, when the chicken changed its color, I add the vegetables in it and add on soya sauce, chili sauce, 1 tablespoon on it, and mix it well. Our chicken vegetable filling is ready. The sauce which I add 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, and black pepper according to your taste. Our sauce is ready. Look at, chicken changed its color. Chicken became translucent, and add mixed vegetables. I have 1 carrot, half cup cabbage, and 1 big capsicum julienne cut. And when it became little soft, I add the sauce which I made in front of you. I add on it, and our chicken filling is ready. Look at, it is tortilla bread and shawarma bread. You made this in home. If you want to purchase from the market, you purchase. It is your own choice. And yes, Look, this type of pieces we made sauce totally different. Look at it is mustard paste. It is available into the market. You purchased it from the market. And the next time I learn you the tikkas, kebabs in which we use mustard paste, and in the salad the burgers which you purchased from the market like KFC, in which they use mayonnaise, ketchup and mustard paste dip. We made the dip with ketchup, mayonnaise and mustard paste. Half tablespoon mustard paste, spoon mustard. If you like mustard, you add mustard. Ketchup, 2 tablespoon ketchup and 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, and mix it well. Your dip is ready. Look at add the filling on the rotis, shawarma bread and tortilla bread which I made in front of you. Add I add ketchup and little bit I add mayonnaise and add some I made some this dip and I made some ketchup and mayonnaise. Look at our final look of one piece, one bite chicken starter. I hope you understand. Look at the final look of one bite chicken recipe. I hope you understand. But try this one bite chicken recipe in your home. It is a starter as a snack recipe. Cut the roti into square piece. The chicken filling I made in front of you. Add 1 teaspoon on it, and I made the filling which I made with mustard paste, ketchup and mayonnaise. Mustard paste used in this recipe according to your required. 1 teaspoon you add. If you like mustard a lot, you add lot of mustard paste. Look at some with mayonnaise, some with mustard and mayonnaise, and some are related with ketchup. I hope you understand. Must try this recipe in your home. Recipe last time understand. I have 2 cup maida. I add salt, 1 egg, dry milk powder add in, and add one thing important thing take in mind. If you have 1 kg of maida, you add 1 tablespoon, because in the morning shows they made the dough in front and saw the people, so therefore they add 2 tablespoon that the dough become permanent. Because we have not hurry, so therefore we add 1 tablespoon yeast in the dough and made the dough soft and rest the dough for 4 to 5 hours. In winter 4 to 5 hours it became proof, but in summer it became proof 1 to 2 hours, because in summer the आटे को खमीरा जल्दी से हो जाता है. In summer the temperature is high, so therefore the dough become fermented. Made the rotis. Take chicken filling. You understand easy way of made chicken filling. Vegetables, chicken, soya sauce, chili sauce, salt according to your taste. Mix it well and make filling. Cut the rotis into 4 pieces. Add 1 teaspoon on it. I made some related with ketchup, mayonnaise and mustard. Serve this one bite chicken to your guests. On made this recipe on your eves, happy birthdays etc. I hope you understand. Look at take it. Very delicious, incredible recipe. Must try this recipe in your home. The important part in mind. Shawarma bread is made this recipe. The dough which I learned you in this dough you made pizzas and burger buns in your home. Next time I'll learn you how to make burger buns in your home. I hope you understand. Must try this one bite chicken snack in your home as a snack. You serve this recipe as a starter to your guests and impress your guests. If you want to add in Parmesan cheese, cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese on it, you add, but it is very simple. I hope you understand. Must try this recipe in your home. You remember me in your prayers. I'll be come back soon with the new recipe. Okay, bye. Khuda Hafiz. Final look.